People of YouTube, welcome back. Special episode today. So we're in Bailey, Colorado, where my buddy Austin lives. He moved here a couple years ago. Long-term subscribers, you'll remember him from old videos. We used to do Moto Monday every Monday. It was awesome. So today we're doing a little Moto Sunday. So let's check out his shop. All right, so you can see we're in a little slice of heaven here in the mountains. It is absolutely beautiful. Just an amazing, amazing place that he's got here. So some of the bikes he's got going on, he's got a CRF 150, F800 GS, this cute little Vulcan 500 he picked up here for a little project bike. He's got a couple XR 400s that he's going to make one badass one out of. But today, we're messing around with this little Vino. And Austin, what year's this CR here?
It's a 99.
99 CR 250, and he has got the cases split, and it is just your everyday shit show. But, yeah. What are you doing to that new crank?
Got some new crank action.
New crank.
New top end also.
Right on, gaskets, all the good shit. So yeah, he's messing with that, and while he's doing that, I'm gonna play with the Vino, and got some this definitely isn't legal in California, I'll tell you that right now. New racing CDI box. This thing's gonna rev to 17,000 RPMs, just burning tires and doing wheelies. Alright, so if you're trying to mount one of these aftermarket CDI boxes on your Yamaha Vino, well, you're shit out of luck. Because, although it says on eBay maybe that it fits in this $17 little hop-up kit, but I'm going to tell you right now, that is not kosher. That ain't happening. So we're moving on, and we'll do the clutch on this bad boy. So here is the clutch kit that he's got. So it's got some new rollers, new big plate, little plate, and spring job. So I started tearing her apart. This guy right here is an awesome number 17, I think it was. So this pulls off, and you see all that stuff in the bottom? That's not what you want to see. That is that's not the good stuff. Boing! Little number 39 action on there. And the old clutch pops right apart. Got the old spring out. So, new spring, a little bit lighter. New rollers. This thing is definitely got a little bit of wear on it. Oh yeah, and did I mention how freaking beautiful it is here? Look at those clouds. Awesome! Alright, so slight modifications here. This piece right here was grooved, and we're thinking that maybe some years had groove shafts all the way back. I don't know. We don't really know, but we made it work, so that's all that really matters. Let's see if that thing fits on there with a little brute force and ugliness. Oh, like a glove. Oh my goodness. The storms, they're rolling in. So Austin's throwing the back pulley thing on there, and the front guy's going on. So yeah, this thing will probably do, I don't know, 70, 80, maybe 200 miles an hour when we're done. If that pod would have fit, we probably could have got 200 out of it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Give these a jolt with the old impact, crank them down. 700 foot-pounds. Yep, 700 foot-pounds or 20,000 Newton meters on that one. Oh yeah, tech tip while we're at it. Get yourself a bowl to put all your stuff in so you don't lose it, especially if you're, you know, working out here on the gravel. Shop full of projects. Austin's chewing through them one by one.
That bolt come out or?
What's that?
Oh yeah. I don't know, it goes above that, huh?
Yeah, all these 8 mils go in here, and I think they're all the same. They are. All right, doing the old flyby. Does it feel faster?
The response off the bottom is way better.
Yeah. Well, it's just a 50cc turd bucket, so how fast does it go? Like 30?
He said 32.
Jeez.
I think I hit 25 on these dirt roads, and I was
It's a little sketchy on dirt
my
roads.
butt was puckering a little.
Yeah, yeah. Ew. Well, now that the clutch is all taken care of, another issue that this thing has is the owner lost the key. So the gas cap is drilled out and the ignition, same. So we're gonna take a look at it and see if there's a replacement or if we can just rig it up somehow for freezies. This thing's not, she's no showpiece, so I'm sure the dude doesn't want to spend a ton of money on it.
I'll go no show.
Yeah. We are diving into her, and oh my goodness, I don't know what is going on there. But this is going to be awesome. So, we've discovered that it is just a 2-pin switch on here. So, really lucked out on this. We'll be able to put a toggle switch, and the guy won't have to spend any more money. He needs to save it for medical bills because he wrecks a lot. Well, boys and girls, the storm is here. Nothing too crazy. A little thunder and lightning action. But we're taking refuge here in the shop. So, we went down to the store and got a little simple on-off switch. And we're just going to wire that thing directly up. And I think if we drill a hole, like somewhere in their skis, it'll be nice and easy to get to and easy to wire. That's the plan, at least. Oh yeah, a little bit of Colorado rain here. So check it out. Austin has some tools that I don't have here, and I've actually never even seen these, but it is for getting the connectors out.
Oh, you know what? It's just this right here.
Went through there pretty easy, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so the little Vino is running and accelerating a lot better with that aftermarket clutch, and we wired in the little, gotta hold the brake. Wired in the little kill switch, so that works nice. Headlight works. So yeah, little Vino shitbox project done. And Austin is back here just working away on the CR250 cases. He was scrubbing, cleaning, and all that good stuff. Got them all cleaned up. So what are you doing now?
Just scraping off excess gasket material here.
And then
the final touches before we slap her back together.
So normally this would be the end of the video, but we discovered a wasp nest and Austin is feeling froggy. So under that tarp is Austin's Jeep, and I got stung the other day. I'll have to come in and get in here without getting stung and show you what we're dealing with. Yeah, that big bastard right there. So one of those dudes got me right in the finger, so we're gonna return the favor. Oh, safety third, gotta read the directions. What's it say?
I'm just making sure it didn't say shake well before you use it.
Protego, get over here.
Yeah, stay over here.
Stay over there, buddy. Let's get after it before the rain gets us too much. Stay, buddy. Oh, the good stuff. I hope they freaking like that after what they did to my poor finger. They're not even coming out.
I don't see anything coming out of there.
I don't like that very much.
Oh, there they are.
Yep, those little bastards. Oh, yeah. That'll teach them. All right, guys, so awesome visit with Austin out here in Colorado. We worked on Shitbox Vino, CR250.
Yep.
Yeah, so it wasn't a Moto Monday, but it was a Moto Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's always fun, as long as there's bikes involved.
Exactly. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and next video I'll be home back in the shop rocking out. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe while you're here, and we'll see you on the next one.